Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. Now, 3.40% rise in price in the past 1 week for Terra Classic LUNC. Though LUNC trading today with about 387,557,289,335 LUNC coins is being traded today, which is about 34,652,707 dollars. Well, this is very low if you compare this to previous week, and I also compare this even as of yesterday. It was about $48 million that have been traded within the past 24 hours. So I believe today Terra Classic trading have really dropped. Yes, the LUNC trading volume have really dropped today, and even though the LUNC coin dropped in terms of high trading volume, but I'm still happy with that. Terra Classic have also increase in price, but no, definitely if Terra Classic have also increased in price, of course we must have expecting Terra Classic trading volume to really increase. At least it will have hit towards 55 or 60 million dollars trading volume, but Terra Classic rather dropped. Now I believe that a lot of people are actually kind of waiting to see what will be happening with Terra Classic before the end of this month. I believe from next month, July, we'll be seeing high trading volume on Terra Classic. That is where you will see if we are going to record mass kind of a lot of people buying more Terra Classic coin, or a lot of people selling off their Terra Classic coins. July will definitely be that month. Terra Classic will definitely know where it is going to be within the next few months or few years, because people are using especially the month of May, June to monitor Terra Classic to know if LUNC is going to really pump. So this month of June is being good for Terra Classic somehow, but I believe from now to the ending of this June, if Terra Classic maintain a market cap of over $500 million or over $600 million, then Terra Classic is set to even increase more next coming months. So this month is like more of a judgment month for Terra Classic, because many people have totally been trading Terra Classic. A lot of people have been buying and storing Terra Classic. You can see few people have actually sold off their own portions of Terra Classic coin, while some are still waiting. Why people are waiting this month? Because Terra Classic have almost 3 to 5 different projects that they've actually announced. Now some of this project has been completed, so a lot of people believe this month of June will be the month they will definitely know if this project will affect Terra Classic positively, or if nothing will happen. And if nothing happens, definitely many people will be going for selling off their Terra Classic coin. And if something happens positively, I think we are going to record more people coming into Terra Classic LUNC coin. Well, anyone, let's hope for the best for LUNC coins.